Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring Madam Glam. Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and HEMA-free. Before we get into the box, I just want to tell you a few things about this collection. First of all, this is the June collection. It is called Neon Unity, and I'm going to read you a few things about it. It says, where dreams are dipped in glitter and confidence is coated in vibrant hues, in this luminous oasis, diversity is not just embraced, it's celebrated in every dazzling shade of the rainbow. Step into the spotlight with Neon Unity, our 8 vibrant soak-off gel polishes designed to celebrate the kaleidoscope of uniqueness. Each shade is infused with shimmering glitters, radiating the essence of pride and individuality. So let's just open up the box. First of all, look at how beautiful these bottles are. They are absolutely gorgeous. I was so excited when I seen the colors and I seen the bottles. My husband even came over to see what was going on because I was so excited. But anyways, I love the colors. They're absolutely beautiful. My husband loves the colors. He was commenting on a lot of the colors. So I am absolutely in love with this collection. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box. Okay, so the first color I reached for is Neon Honey. This is absolutely a beautiful yellow glitter. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a yellowy, maybe orange, a little orangey to me. It is absolutely beautiful. I am so looking forward to using these colors. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love a good yellow orange. The second color is in Power. I love the names of the polishes. Look at this orange. Look at how bright and vibrant this orange is. This is absolutely beautiful. You could use this orange any time of the year. This is absolutely gorgeous. That orange is just making me so happy. I don't know why I'm so happy with the orange, but it's just like literally, it's just making me happy. The next color is Sizzling Lime. I love this name. This is another glitter. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that green. That is a gorgeous green. It is absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I am loving the colors in this collection. I am just having a fit. This one is Electric Denim. Oh my gosh. Now this blue, look at this blue. This blue is perfect. This is an absolutely gorgeous blue. I'm not really a person that's into blue, but this, I love this blue. This blue is so pretty. That is just beautiful. Now here is another glitter. This one is Rose Glitz. I love the name. And look at this. This is so pretty. I mean, these colors are killing me. Literally, they're just killing me. I don't know what it is today, but like these colors are just like, oh my gosh. They are absolutely beautiful. So pretty. We have another pink. It is called Shine On. Another glitter. This is so pretty. Look at this. It's like maybe a little bit of an orangey tint with a pink. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, this is just, this is just so beautiful. And when you just look at the colors, like sitting, like I'm just setting them over to the side on my desk and they're under the light and they're just sitting next to each other. It looks like a rainbow. I mean, it is so pretty. I'll put them back in front of the camera for you guys in a minute just to show you. It's just so pretty. This one is Love Wins. I love that name. It is a beautiful, okay, so a reddy pink, like a reddish pink is what I want to say. I see red, but I see pink. I can't, sometimes the light kind of throws me off. I do see like in the, like when I thin it out on the bottle, I see pink back here, like a hot pink. So hot pink or reddish hot pink, something like that. But it's so pretty. Like I said, these colors, oh my gosh, they are just killing me. And then Orchid Glam. Oh my gosh, I know so many people that would love this color. Look at this purple. Oh my gosh, like magenta purple. I don't know. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is so pretty. I cannot wait to swatch these colors, but this is a beautiful color. All the colors in this collection are so pretty. Now let's just watch this. Now when you look at this, doesn't this just make you happy? Like, look at that. That is just so, I don't know. It's just so pretty. Okay, so the first color we're going to swatch is Neon Honey. This is that beautiful yellowy orangish color. I have to see it on the swatch stick. Yeah, I think there is a little bit of orange in here. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that coverage. That coverage is excellent. I was thinking it was going to be more jelly, but that is really good coverage. That is beautiful. Next, we're going to go in with Empower. This is that beautiful, beautiful orange. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. That is like, oh God. I love this orange. This is so neon. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell because on my monitor, it is not showing neon at all, but literally in person, oh my gosh. Now we are going in with a glitter. It's green. It is Sizzling Lime. Like I said, every single color in this collection is just like, I am in love with it. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. This green, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is so pretty. And now we're going in with Electric Denim, this blue. Oh my gosh. This blue. Let me tell you. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this blue. Electric Denim is like the perfect name for this blue. Definitely the perfect name. This is so pretty. I love this blue. Look at how pretty that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and now we are going in with Love Wins. This is that beautiful, like pinky reddish color, hot pink. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Okay, this is killing me. I am in love with this one. I love pink. I mean, I've said before, I'm a pink girl year round. Year round, anything to do with pink, literally. This is so pretty. Look at how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely beautiful. Now we're going to go in with Shine On, another beautiful pink. This one is glittery. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is another beautiful pink. Oh my gosh. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I hope the camera is doing it justice because literally this is so pretty. And now we're going in with Rose Glitz, another glitter. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, this has like purple in it. It's like a pinky purple. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh wow, I've never seen something like this. It's like is there purple? Maybe there's purple glitter and pink glitter? Or purple undertones? I'm horrible at describing color. I am so sorry, but this is so pretty. This is pretty. If you like pink and you like purple, this is the color you have to get. Okay, and the last color is Orchid Glam. Oh my gosh, I know this purple. I know I am going to love this purple. Look at, oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. I know so many people that are going to have a fit over this collection. Literally. This is so pretty. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is a beautiful purple. And now we're going to go in with the second coats. are all 8 colors, 2 coats and 1 coat of the no wipe top coat. Okay, so I'm going to be using 5 of the colors. I'm going to be doing fruit nails. I have not done fruit nails yet. I have been dying to do fruit nails. I have a ton of fruit stickers. So we all know me and my stickers. So that is what we are going to do. We are doing cute fruit nails. So we are going to be using Neon Honey, Sizzling Lime, Empower, Shine On, and Rose Glitz. So those are the 5 that I chose to use. I am going to be showing these on my hands in the end, so go ahead and stay tuned for that. I already have my nails prepped and primed, and now we're just going to go ahead and we're going to get into the video. So hey guys, here's the way that the nails turned out. I think they turned out super, super cute. I am really enjoying the fruit nails. I didn't get a chance to do them last summer, so I definitely wanted to get a chance to do them this summer. So I am so, so happy that I did them. Like I said, I think they're super cute. I absolutely love this collection. The colors are so, so gorgeous. I still can't get over how beautiful these colors are. Like I said, this is out of the box for me. I am I am not a person that's like yellow, green, orange, that kind of stuff. But literally, these colors are making me love yellow, green, and orange and blue. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love chatting with you. Thank you so much, Madam Glam, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will link Madam Glam's information in the description box below, along with my coupon code. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and have a wonderful day.